Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what is WordPress blog. So basically a WordPress blog is a blog that is built using WordPress. Okay, so for instance, shortcrashcourse.com, the website is built using WordPress. So let's go ahead and check out the website. Now, this website is built using WordPress, and as you can see in the top there, you see the dashboard, you see the plugins, the themes, the widgets, the menu, the customize, and every other thing you can talk about. So you can use WordPress to build about anything, and this site, for instance, is one of them. And there are so many other websites on the internet that are powered by WordPress. So when someone next time you hear someone saying a WordPress blog, it means that that blog was built using the WordPress content management system. Okay, so WordPress is an open source content management system. It's a popular tool for individuals without any coding experience who want to build websites and blogs. The software doesn't cost anything. Anyone can install, use, and modify it for free. So that is basically what a WordPress blog is. So that'll be all for now on this short crash course on this video, and I'll expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.